Want to create and sell your own journals? With AI, you can design personalized journals in minutes and start earning money. Let's explore how to use AI to create beautiful, sellable journals and turn them into a profitable business. In our digitally saturated world, a powerful counter-movement is gaining momentum: the return to analog. People are seeking ways to disconnect, reflect, and organize their lives away from a screen. This is where the humble journal makes its triumphant return. It's no longer just a diary, it's a tool for personal transformation. We're seeing an explosion in demand for specialized journals. Gratitude journals for positivity, productivity planners for goals, and mindfulness logs for stress. This isn't a fleeting trend, it's a fundamental shift in well-being. The global journal market is worth billions and growing, making it a gold rush for entrepreneurs. So, how do you tap into this market without being a graphic design wizard? The answer is artificial intelligence. Modern AI design platforms are game changers. They let you generate stunning, one-of-a-kind cover art from a simple text prompt. Imagine creating a beautiful watercolor landscape for a travel journal or a sleek design for a business planner in seconds. These tools also help you design custom interior pages tailored to specific needs, from habit trackers to meal planners. AI acts as your creative partner, putting a professional studio at your fingertips. The key to success is finding your niche. Don't create a one-size-fits-all journal. Think about specific communities. Students need more than lined paper. They need assignment trackers and exam revision plans. Entrepreneurs are a massive market, hungry for journals to map out business goals and plan content. But let's go deeper. What about a journal for new parents to document milestones, or a logbook for gardeners to track planting schedules? Think about hobbyists. A journal for D&D players, a log for bird watchers, or a tasting journal for coffee connoisseurs. Each group is a passionate community searching for tools that understand them. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but don't I need a warehouse and thousands of dollars for printing? Absolutely not. This is where print on demand, or POD, comes in. This model is a game changer. You create your journal design, upload it to a platform like Amazon KDP, and set your price. When a customer buys it, the POD company automatically prints a single copy and ships it directly to them. You don't touch inventory or handle shipping. Your only investment is your time and creativity. This eliminates financial risk, making it the perfect business to start on the side. Once your journal is listed, it becomes a digital asset that can generate sales at any time of day or night. This is the power of building a passive income stream. Each unique journal you create is another potential revenue source. By finding the right niche and creating a high-quality, useful product, you're not just selling a book, you're building a scalable business. The journal gold rush is on, and you have the tools to stake your claim. To create your journal, you need the right AI tool. Platforms like Canva, BookBolt, and KDP Wizard help you design customizable journal templates. With these tools, you can quickly generate beautiful layouts for a variety of journal types, from planners to self-reflection diaries. These tools can turn your simple text descriptions into beautiful, high-quality images. You can type something like, a beautiful watercolor floral pattern with soft pastel colors, and the AI will generate a unique cover design for you. Ready to bring your journal to life? Start by opening your favorite AI design tool and let your imagination run wild. Type in creative prompts like, vibrant floral cover with gold accents, or minimalist mountain scene at sunrise. Instantly, the AI generates a range of stunning covers for you to choose from. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different styles, colors, and even add your own inspirational quotes. Next, use AI to design the inside pages. Whether you want habit trackers, gratitude lists, or custom planners, just describe your idea and watch the AI create unique layouts. The more you play with prompts and tweak your designs, the more original and tailored your journal becomes. This is your chance to stand out. Let your creativity and the power of AI work together. Next, consider your niche. Targeting a specific audience is crucial. Instead of a generic daily journal, you can create journals for different niches such as fitness, productivity, mindfulness, or travel. Think about a journal for new gardeners, or a project planner for freelance writers. The more specific your audience, the easier it is to tailor the content and design to their exact needs. This focused approach helps with marketing and allows you to create a product that truly resonates. For the interior pages of your journal, you might use a tool like Canva. Canva has AI features that can help you generate layouts and elements. Its magic design feature, for example, can generate entire page layouts from a simple text prompt. You could type, "Create a weekly habit tracker page with a botanical theme," and it will provide several starting points. This helps ensure a cohesive and professional look throughout your entire journal. For more complex journals like a daily planner or a fitness tracker, you'll need to design custom layouts. Think about what your customer needs. A meal planner should have sections for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, but consider adding a weekly grocery list. A workout log should have space for exercises, sets, reps, and weights. But what about a progress tracker for measurements or a section for personal records? Anticipating their needs is what makes a journal truly valuable. Finally, the key to a great interior is to make it useful and easy to read. Keep the design clean and uncluttered by using plenty of white space, which makes the pages feel calm and approachable. Choose your fonts carefully, select a clear, legible font for the main text, and a complementary one for headings. This creates a visual hierarchy that guides the user's eye and makes your journal a joy to use. After customizing your journal, you need to format it for publishing. Export your journal in PDF format, the universal standard that faithfully preserves your design. Before you do, perform a final quality check. Proofread every word, check image resolution, and confirm your page order. This diligence ensures a professional product. With your file ready, it's time to choose your storefront. Tools like Ingram Spark, Amazon KDP, and Gumroad make it easy to sell your journal digitally or physically. Amazon KDP is a fantastic starting point, giving you direct access to a massive global marketplace. For broader distribution to bookstores, Ingram Spark is a powerful choice. If you're focusing purely on digital downloads and want to build a direct relationship with your audience, platforms like Gumroad or Etsy are perfect, giving you full control. The formatting specifics depend on your sales method. For digital journals, you'll need to export your entire design as a single PDF file. To make it stand out, make the PDF interactive with hyperlinks for easy navigation. This is essential for users on tablets with apps like GoodNotes, transforming a static document into a dynamic tool. For print on demand, the requirements are more stringent. You'll need two separate files, one for the cover and one for the interior pages. The cover file is a single flat image including the front, back, and spine with dimensions based on your page count. The interior file must follow specific guidelines for bleed and margins to ensure nothing gets cut off. Always download the specific templates from your chosen printer to get this right. Once your journal is ready, it's time to start selling. Platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, and Gumroad allow you to sell your digital or printed journals to a global audience. Set a competitive price, write a compelling product description, and promote your journals to reach potential customers. Take high-quality pictures of your journal. For digital products, create mock-ups showing your journal on tablets or as beautifully arranged flat lays. Share your journals on social media platforms to reach potential customers and build your brand. AI tools make creating and selling journals a profitable and easy business. Choose the right AI tool, customize your designs, format them for publishing, and sell them online to reach a broad audience. Start creating and selling your AI-generated journals today. The opportunity is real, the tools are ready, and the market is waiting. The only missing ingredient is you. So what are you waiting for? Start creating. Start publishing. Your journal empire awaits. Your journey starts now. Have you ever created AI prompt packs? Share your tips and experiences in the comments. Subscribe to AI Goldmine for more tips on turning AI tools into profitable business opportunities. Next, how to sell AI-generated digital products on Etsy.